welcome back to Sleeper Barbecue. Today we're going to be making the chicken enchilada casserole in a skillet, cast iron skillet. So this will be a sort of first for us. Not sort of, it will be a first for me, but I've seen them done. I've actually helped make them before, but this will be the first one that I've ever done on my own, and it's a skillet version, so it's the easy way out. The Weber Kettle's already heating up. We're going to get our chicken on and we'll bring you right back. Alright, we're going to get our chicken pieces washed up, rinsed and trimmed. A couple pieces of that loose fat. Pat them dry. And then season them up. Alright, we have everything rinsed, trimmed, and patted dry. We're going to go in with Uncle Steve's smoke bomb. Alright, then we're coming back in with the top coat of Uncle Steve's SPG. And we're going to let these sit for a little bit. Alright, we're on the Weber. And we're going to let these things cook. We'll bring you back. Alright, these things that you put too far away, maybe 20 some degrees off. 130, 140. So it was pretty close. So what I want to do at this point is just to go ahead and see if I can't get some sear marks onto this chicken before I lose all my heat. Alright, I pulled these a little earlier. I got 152, 155. And they're going to cook more in the skillet. So again, don't want them to overcook. So I'm just going to cut these in chunks. Casserole dish says chunks. Alright, we're going to finish this up off camera. There's 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of chilies in an adobo sauce, half a teaspoon of cumin, and half of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Alright, so we're throwing in flour, thinly sliced flour tortillas. And that is 7, it called for 8. I may go over another one yet. In goes our chicken. And then the next thing we have going in is just some shredded Colby Jack cheese. I'm just going to throw that on top and let it melt in. We're going to put that over top of the heat a little bit more and just let it finish up while I cut up some toppings. Alright, this is nothing fancy. I'm just going to slice up some tomatoes, and dice them for the toppings is all this is going to be. And some, after the spring onions, got a little bit of oregano, because I am not a soap on the stem type guy. Cilantro, I do not care for. Alright, so there it is, it's off the kettle. Let's go ahead and finish it up with some more of this Colby Jack cheese. I'm not going to go real crazy with these tomatoes because I know my wife. As soon as she sees it come in the door with tomatoes on it, it's already not going to taste good. So I'm just going to try and center them right here so I can get the camera shot. A little bit of the avocado. I'm probably going to do the same to that. Of our spring onions, which I can go a little crazy with those because she will eat them. And some of the oregano. Last but not least, some of my cayenne peppers that I grew last year and dried out. Alright, let's get that taste test in here. Oh, I'm dying for this one. Should have been a little bit stringier of all that cheese. Getting a bite. Alright, I'm going to go in for some of this, all the topping in it. That's pretty dang good. I have a little too much oregano on there, but otherwise, that's pretty daggone good. We'll bring it back. We'll get the wife fed. Alright, just as I suspected, Mrs. Sleeper, when she saw the tomatoes, I think the words out of her mouth was, I don't know if I'm going to like this dish. So she ate around all the tomatoes. She did eat the avocado, and actually said it was very good. She really enjoyed it. It was a cheesy dish. I tell you, putting those cayenne peppers sliced up on the top of it really helped a lot, because it's supposed to be, enchilada is supposed to be a spicy dish. And I'd cut it back a little bit because I'm cooking for the wife and myself. I tasted some of the sauce. I was like, man, it just needs a little bit more of a bite yet. So, topping it off with those the dried cayenne that I sliced up really helped out a lot. She even said she got a bite of one or two of them, and said they were good. That she liked them, but just it was on the hot side for her. But I'd do the dish again. It's a enchilada casserole skillet dish. Pretty good stuff. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you.